Melisa is cooking. It was Sunday, but Melisa woke up early because she had an interesting idea. Today she wanted to try something new. She stretched her arms and stood up from her bed. The sun was shining through her window. She felt happy and relaxed. First, she walked slowly to the bathroom. She washed her face, brushed her teeth, and changed her pajamas into home clothes. After that, she went to the kitchen. She wanted to cook a delicious breakfast for herself today. The kitchen was clean, quiet, and bright. She opened the fridge and looked inside. There were eggs, milk, vegetables, bread, and some spices. She thought for a moment. "What should I make?" she said. Suddenly she smiled. "I will cook a simple breakfast. An omelet, toast, and a small salad." She washed her hands carefully. Then she took out the eggs. They were cold in her hands. She placed a bowl on the table. Crack! She broke the first egg. A little shell fell into the bowl. "Oh no," she laughed. Melisa took a spoon and removed the shell. Then she broke 2 more eggs. She mixed them slowly with a fork. The eggs looked yellow and soft. Next, Melisa prepared the vegetables. She washed a tomato, a pepper, and a small onion. She cut them into tiny pieces. Her eyes almost cried from the onion. She laughed again. "Cooking is harder than I thought," she said. She turned on the stove. The pan became warm. She added a little butter. It began to melt and sizzle. Melisa poured the eggs into the pan. They made a soft hissing sound. She added the vegetables. Red, green, and yellow colors mixed together. The omelet started to look delicious. Melisa flipped it carefully with the spatula. "Wow, I did it," she said proudly. While the omelet cooked, she prepared toast. She put 2 slices of bread in the toaster. Click! The toaster popped and the bread was golden brown. She spread butter on the bread and put a slice of Holland cheese on top. Melisa made a small salad too. She cut lettuce and added tomatoes, a little salt, a little olive oil. Simple and fresh. Finally, everything was ready. She placed the omelet, toast, and salad on a plate. The meal looked beautiful, and it smelled amazing. Melisa sat at the table and took her first bite. It's good. I like to cook when I have plenty of free time," she said proudly. She felt warm and happy inside. Later, Melisa sent a photo to her friend Sophia. Sophia replied, "Wow, you are a chef now." Melisa laughed and wrote back, "Come tomorrow, I will cook for you too." It was a small moment, but for Melisa, it felt like a big success. She was glad to have her nice breakfast, and she enjoyed every step of the process. She had a great mood and could enjoy her weekend. Friends, do you like to cook? Write in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you liked the story, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.